Hi guys, just received the password from Flipkart, Oppo A9. Okay, got an invoice, Oppo A9. It is around 12,990 rupees. And let's start up. Okay, packing is pretty good. Okay, this is all new Oppo A9. This mobile comes up with 48 megapixel wide camera and 5000 milliamps Snapdragon 665 dual speaker Dolby and RAM 4 GB and 128 GB of internal memory. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I received a mobile. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And I received a earphone with a charger. It comes up with 5 volt and 2 amps and a data cable. Let's check out what is in here. Now back cover with the SIM ejector. Okay, let's check out the phone. It is pretty good and it sits in hand, but not sure if it works good for operating. Okay, fingerprint and 3 camera, 1 flashlight. Okay, United States English. Okay, let's start up. Continue. Anyway, I'm not gonna read. Skip for now. Continue. Alright, not required now. I'm going to skip it. Auto update overnight. No, not required right now. Maybe later. Set as a new phone. Okay. Okay. Not required. Not required. Not required. Not required. Not required. Okay. Welcome. Get started. Now getting notification. Hey dear Oppo user. Okay. Let's check out about the phone here. Our RAM of 4 GB and device storage 128 GB total. Now available on at 4 GB. Okay, and Android version 9. It is a buy. And okay, it is a simple one menu where you can get everything. Okay, there are pretty apps installed. Uh, this is all about Oppo A9. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.